Good morning, class. So at this point we are busy with geometry, grade 8 geometry. You guys are on page 11. How are you? No problem. Great. This is page 11, eh? Okay. You have to do. This is workbook, page 11, and you have to do page 12. But this is on page 11. Right. So we start. We're saying that y plus 90 plus 60 equals 180. Y. Sum of triangle. It's triangle DEF. Not so? So y is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 60, which is? You all got that? Okay. Any confusion here? No? So what would the next one be? X plus 125 plus equals y? Interior angle of a triangle, so interior angle of a triangle is triangle ABC. So x is equal to 180 minus 125 minus 25, which is? 30. Will it always be 30 degrees? No. In this example, both was 30 degrees. Okay. Alright. Next one is E. No? Here on page 11. What do we do here? So X. Just a second, just a second. Let's check something quickly. Okay. Right, so we're saying x plus, now for E, x plus 25 plus 45 is equal to 180. Why? Sum of triangles. It's triangle ABC. So x is equal to 180 minus 45 minus 25, which is 110. Okay? You guys okay with this? Yeah, you will understand. Did you get if? Yeah, this is the other one we did. No? The theorem 2. So what do we say here? X is equal to 43 plus 73. The reason? It's your exterior angle of triangle. And it's dot, yes? And it's triangle ABC. What does that dot stand for? Exterior angle of triangle equals the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay. So this works out to be 106, 116. Okay. Any confusion there? No? Check if I've cut the next. Not there yet. Okay, so you guys did page 12 as well, correct?
Yes.
Okay, I haven't cut it yet, so I'm going to pause the video at this point. and cut it. What I want you guys to do is, let's see what page 13 means. Same thing. So you can do page 13 for me now, okay? So we got the questions. Don't waste your time, no? I'm gonna come check now what you are doing. This is, let's check. You guys are grade 8, no? Hello? Comes now? Yes? Huh? It's up to her. What she wants to do, she can try it. If she fits in there, and then let her do it. It is similar, but it's gonna just cost a bit more now. The one in Belleville. But it's fine, she can go for it. It's no problem. 50 odd thousand for the year. 50 odd for the year. Per semester. So 40, so it's 4, so it's 10, so it's 20,000 for the year. 20,000. So that is fine. It's fine. Did she apply and we see? So go for it, it's fine. Yes. Not 10 years, 4 years. Yes. It's 10,000. It's 20,000 for the year. I already worked it out. Didn't you say 2,000? Yeah, then I would suggest she actually goes into the university itself. Then she can go to the one in Tiger Valley. She's going to pay 10,000 and more, but at least she will go in. Because the open day is coming when? Don't you have it documented as well? Okay. So you get it sorted out, we can speak about it later. The date. It's up to her, but I would suggest at that price she might as well just go into the university. Yeah. Okay then. See you soon now. Right. You guys ready? I'm ready now. I got all the stuff cut already. We're on page 12, no? So I can delete this one. This is page 12. There's the first one on page 12. Is that correct? Huh? Is this not the first one on page 12? Is the first one on page 12? Oh, why is she saying no? What's wrong with her? Right, here we go. Listen. But this was part of your homework still, no? And then go straight into it. What can be done here? Y is equal to 74 plus y. Exterior angle of triangle. This triangle ABC. So the whole theorem would be exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposites. Okay. So that gives you y is equal to 140. Okay, 140 degrees. You look at h. What gives you about x here? X is equal to 47 plus 60. Why? Exterior angle of triangle. This triangle ABC. That gives me an angle of 115 degrees. Any confusion there? No? The next two, I. So I first. What can you say here? Z is equal to 45 plus 70. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite ends. And this is triangle ABC. This works out to be 120. Is that correct? Look at try. What can we do here? Y is equal to 69 plus 64. Why? Exterior angle of triangle. It is triangle LM. You got Y is equal to 69 plus 4, 64. 130. Okay. Any confusion thus far? You guys don't want to work out L2 first, no? No. Because then we can go straight into one. The condition is not to, the question was not to calculate all the unknown angles. Unless it was an X by L2, then I would have worked out X as well. Alright? Are we still on page 12?
Yes, sir.
Right.
So it's the hours,
Sorry?
the capital.
Sorry?
Is it our,
The vertex. Yeah? Now I'm asking if you wanted to calculate L2 first. Then you could have worked at L2, then you would have gotten the angle L2, then you could have gotten angles on the straight line. Not so. But the quicker way of doing it is just exterior angles equal sum of two interiors. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Are you going to calculate the angle beta? This angle here, B. You see that? It's beta, angle beta. Later on you're going to see that is A in Greek, which is alpha. Now, so it's A, B, C, D. No D. No C. What's wrong? So A is alpha, beta. I don't know what theta is. I don't think it's C. And there's omega as well. Okay, this is Greek symbols, which is basically an unknown angle. So what they do is they associate unknown angles with these what's his name? Variables. Okay, or Greek letters. But what is x plus x? 2x. So what's alpha plus alpha? 2alpha. What's x times x? X squared. What is alpha times alpha? Alpha. It's the same thing. It is a different variable. You understand? Or another variable. So, okay, that is going to be beta is equal to 120 plus 3. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite, and it's triangle PQ. That's going to give you an answer of 140 degrees. Okay. Let's look at L. Let's say about L. What needs to be worked out here? Your X and your Y needs to be worked out, not so? So that's going to give you, are you going to calculate x? X plus 31. 31 plus 22 equals y? Here we go. Can you see the triangle? The three interior angles of a triangle adds up to 180. The sum of triangles is triangle ABC. So what do we have now? X is equal to 180 minus 31 minus 22, which is 127. Are you going to calculate y? Y is equal to 31 plus 22. Y? Exterior angle of triangle. Dot dot dot. It's triangle ABC. Not so? That's going to give us an answer of 53. Or I could have gone with angles on a straight line. I could have said 127 plus angle y is equal to 180. Straight line. So y is equal to 180 minus 127, which is 53. Can you see that, people? It would get you the full 2 marks in either way. Okay? 3 marks depending. Okay. Let's carry on. Page 13. You just started with, not so? Can I answer the first one? Done with the first 2? Yes, okay. So let's look at the first one. Now, since your hand is up, Michael, talk to me. Equals 10. Okay, and then the reason? It's right? Yes, x is 10, and the reason? Alright. So, it is absolutely correct, x is 10. But when we lay it out, we say 30 is equal to 20 plus x. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 interior opposite. And these triangles, triangle, sorry, Q, P, R. I'm naming this triangle I'm working. Okay. To solve for x, you take it over the equal sign. X is equal to 20 minus 30 minus 20, which is 10. Okay, which makes that correct. Look at the next one. Are you going to calculate z? Who can calculate z here? Z plus 8 is equal to 150. Why? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the 2 interiors. You all agree with that? So let's go with it. 150 degrees is equal to z plus 80. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 interior opposite. And this triangle AB. So what do we say now? Z is equal to 150 minus 80, which is 60. Is anybody that's confused?
So if I started with the 2 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1
2 plus 180. Means Z. What did you say? What did you write? What did you write?
2 plus 150.
So you started here. Is that what you did? So you said C2, not 2. You see this is vertex C. So C2, angle C2. Everybody look here. C2 plus 150 is equal to 180. Why? Because the angles of the straight line. So angle C2 is equal to 180 minus 150, which is 30 degrees. So she got 30 degrees. Then what did you do?
And then I said Z plus 30 plus 80.
So then you say Z plus 30 plus 80 equals 180. Why?
Exterior angles.
No. It's not exterior. Sum of triangles is what you're actually using. So you would have lost the mark on your reason. Sum of triangles is triangle AB. So we're going to say Z is equal to 180 minus 80, which is 100, minus 30, which is 70. Okay? So the sum is worth 3 marks. You would have gotten 2 because I made a mistake at your reason. Guys done with the next two? Who's still busy with O? Okay, finish. Nice. Who's talking? P. What did I say? As I mentioned that earlier on, what did I say it is? Theta. Yeah, that's how the theta. Look like a zero with that thing through. Theta. Okay? Okay. So you can answer both at this point or only the first one? Who's finished with both? Okay, let's answer both. So what can we say here? X, yes, plus 100 degrees is equal to Y, the exterior angle of triangle. It's triangle AB. So what can I say here? X is equal to 145 minus 100, which is the next one, theta. How are you going to calculate theta? Theta is equal to 30 plus 69. Why? The exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite. Is triangle AB. So what's 30 plus 69? Okay, you guys got it? Don't lose it, okay. You guys done with Q? Who's still busy with Q? You all finished? Why are they moving so slow? Am I moving too fast?
No.
Leave it like this.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me when I'm moving too fast, no? Because if you guys do well, and it looks like I'm doing my job. But currently, it looks like I'm not doing my job. No? Yeah, I know I'm doing my job, but when you look at the marks, it's a different story. No? So you must have been tested, aren't you being tested? The cycle test. Oh, you did one new cycle test of yesterday, Tuesday. I don't know, I'm asking you saying about the cycle test. I'm not marking. Yeah, but you see about this grade 12. This is how it looks when I mark. When I mark it out, they throw me out. I must go sit in the yard. But it looks like this. Okay. And I'm marking here. Right. But anyway, how are we going to calculate x here? 70 is plus x is equal to 115. Why? Exterior angle of triangle equals the sum of the two interior opposite. And it's triangle L, M, N. What do I say here? X is equal to 115 minus 7, which is 45. Okay. You guys got it? Was this page? What page is this? Page 12? 13. So why did you tell me now for all this up to 12? So it was actually page 13. Here's page 13. Okay, are we still on page 13? Then we're on page 14 now. Alright, so before we go into that, let's go back to our notes. Remember we made notes on triangles. All at the notes? Did we not answer these questions yet? No. We stopped here, no? So at this point you guys have written down the theorem 3, no? There we are told that the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, you all got that, no? So if the triangle is lying like this, and here is ABC, and AC is equal to BC. If AC is equal to BC, then which angles are equal? A and B. Not so? You will understand that. Yeah. Now this guy here with the blanket. What's your name? Sarah. Okay. What? What's Sarah? What's your name? Sien right man. Did I say right? See what? Sine. Right, Sine. So if AB is equal to CB, which angles are equal? A and C. Not AC. You're right, it's A and C, okay. It's angle A and angle C is equal. Not so? So, what if which angles are now equal? Q and R. Not so. What if those lengths are equal? P and Q. Why? Because that is most facing them. Can you see that? So when two lengths are equal, the base angles are equal. You guys get the idea? I'm going to do another one. If that length is equal to that, which angles are equal? O and N. Right? Good. Now? Still O and N. Why? Because it's only those two lengths that's still equal. And now? There's 2 and here's 2, not so? So it's going to be O and? No. It's either on or no yet. You all agree with that? Now? O and N. And now? M and N. Not so? So you guys get the idea. So if we have 2 lengths that are equal in a triangle, the base angles will be equal. You guys understand? So, if you have a triangle now looking like this, and that angle is equal to that angle, you got PQR. Then what can we say? PQ has to be equal to PR. Not only the P and a Q and an R. Saying O. Okay? Did you see that, people? What if those angles were equal? Then which lengths are equal? P, R, yes, is equal to QR. Can you see that, people? PR is equal to QR. You guys understand? Is it confusing? Kind of. Just remember, listen. If these lengths are equal, then you go, it's pointing in that direction and that direction. You can even draw that in. And you can see that those angles are equal. Can you see them? See, these lengths are equal. So it must be A is equal to which angle? Angle C. So what is so difficult about that? The extra lines. Just listen. If you got 1 line, 2 lines, and 3 lines, what does that say? What type of triangle is this? Scaling, yes. There's 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines, and 3 lines. What type of triangle is that? A sausage. No. A sausage is 3 lines, 3 lines, 3 lines. Equilateral. So the lines should not mesmerize you or make you confused. This here, the arc. I just added extra one.
They're not those lines, those lines.
Okay, let's look at more examples. Okay. Pertaining this, okay. Let's see what else it does. So that's theorem 3. If we use this theorem, I just need you guys to make a note here. If this is the case, we write sides opposite equal angles. If we use that theorem, that is what we write. So write this. You remember you guys made notes on this? Besides the one that was absent? Did you make your notes? Now why aren't you writing that? What the notes you made? You gonna write it. If we use that theorem, theorem 3, the reason is sides opposite equal angles. Okay. What type of triangle is this? A isosceles triangle. Not so? Which means to say 2 angles are equal, which will result in 2 base angles being equal. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Theorem 4. If 2 angles of a triangle are equal, the sides opposite the equal angles are equal. The triangle thus is thus isosceles. So you see, here's angle C. So which and angle B are equal. So which sides are equal? AB is equal to AC. Can you see that? Still getting confused? Here's the arrow. There's the arc. So it's xy is equal to xz. Still getting confused? No. Good. Okay. It's important that you understand it from the beginning, so that you won't make mistakes later on. Okay. So what do we say here? If we use this, you see both are isosceles triangles, not so. The one was, the sides was equal, which resulted in the angles being equal. This one, the angles are equal, which is resulting in the sides that are not equal. Can you see? So the first one, theorem 3, it is sides opposite equal angles, and this one would be what? Angles opposite? No. Sides opposite equal angles. These sides opposite equal angles. Is that right? That on the previous one as well. Yes, I did. That's a mistake. This is angles opposite equal sides. Can you see? Because here, why did I even make that mistake? I shouldn't be making this mistake. This is going to be angles opposite equal sides. Now tonight the constant, I'm going to think the whole time, how come I made the mistake? So I would have lost the mark in the exam if I write the theorem at the wrong point. You see, I don't like losing marks. No chocolates for me, yes. Natara. How many chocolates did I lose to you?
Zero.
None? Okay. You probably don't like chocolate, okay? Huh? Understandable. Okay, so that's going to be, if the sides are equal, which will result in the angles being equal, will be angles opposite equal sides. And when the angles are equal, we can conclude that those two sides are equal. It's going to be sides opposite equal angles. Okay. Now let's look at further examples here. Calculate the size of the angles marked with the letters. So what can we say here? Which angles are equal? Angle B is equal to angle? Can you see that, people? So what can we say? A is equal to 75 degrees. Why? No. Let's go. You gave me the theorem now. Angles opposite equal sides. That's what you're right. Not that Mickey Mouse you were writing. Okay. I'll tell you why. If you're not going to write this, you're not going to get them all. Okay. Some of you are going to write other stuff, no? Sausage triangle, all of those stuff. You're going to get that, you're going to lose them all. Okay. That's why I'm saying I shouldn't have gotten that other theoremic stuff, okay? Because I'll be emphasizing on this all the time. You must use the right one at the right point. Okay. Let's do this one. Which angles are equal here? D is equal to which angle? F. So, in other words, D is equal to what? Angle D is equal to? Okay. You all agree that angle D is equal to angle F. You all agree with that? Who disagree with it? Nobody. But what is angle F equal to? Think about what's angle F equal to? B. There's a B here. What is this? Oh, you can't see that. Capital letters. Okay, big D is equal to big F. Not so. And if big F is B, then big D is small b. These small letters are D. So what's the reason here? Angles opposite equal side. Not so? So here's a B line here now. But have I solved for B? No. So what can we say here? That B plus B plus 128 is equal to 180. Reason? Sum of triangles, and it's triangle DEF. Not so? So variables one side, numbers other side. So 2b is equal to 180 minus 128, which is 112. Huh? Not 112. Sorry man, 52. Is that correct? Okay, let's just close the door, sorry. Okay, now what? Divide by 2. So P is 26. You guys understand?
Yes.
So, just going through it from the top again. To calculate B, I needed to set up an equation first, not so? Because B, you can't say B is 128, but those angles wasn't equal. Okay. So we're saying that since DE is opposite angle F, and EF is opposite angle D, that is why angle D was also lowercase b. That's right. And then I can say angles opposite equal sides. Then we went with the fact that angles in a triangle adds up to 180. So it's b plus 128 is equal to 180. Sum of triangles is triangle DEF. And I solve the equation. Okay. People for homework? Of course. You guys, we did 30 now. So for homework, I would like you guys to do 14. Just do page 14 for me. Can you see the summary here? We're going to start the reading through the summary. That's part of your homework, okay? I want you guys to read through page 15. Okay? So that's not a lot of work, no? People enjoy the rest of your day? Good morning, class. Good afternoon.